Team Kyle Water, we have some updates on the 2.4 we're going to talk about and the upcoming Trident build. So stay with me on this one. Okay, so the first upgrade on the 2.4 was the need of a better X-beam, and this lightweight X-beam with CNC joints from Common Anomaly. I sourced it from West 3D. A link to that is in the description below. This thing is rigid, it is tough, comes with titanium hardware. This thing is freaking awesome, and for the price, it's worth every single penny spent on it. So get yours today, it is amazing, and we're gonna be installing one on the Trident as well. Now, let me walk you through the process of the transformation of the Trident to all-wheel drive and what we're going to be installing. So I already got most of the components needed. We're going to be doing, again, another Zoll tool head. It works so good. But we're going to be installing this Sherpa Mini Heavy Duty. This thing is amazing. It's got a 7-tooth motor, and of course you can source this motor and the filament gear set that I have in here from West 3D. Link to both of those is also in the description below. And I also included their Zoll hardware kit that you're going to need. Now, the motors for this are pretty awesome. I've been pre-building them over here on the Messier bench. I got the fronts done already. I am using the 2804 Superpower HTs, and they are still going to be ran on the 24-volt system. Now, this is a little unique. Same process as I did on the 2.4, but upside down instead. So we want the motors on top. Otherwise, they'll interfere with the lead screws, and you'll see that later on in the series. I use 3mm actual washers, not printed ones, and boy, does this fit so much better. Very excited. Same with the rear AB mounts. They're going to be upside down as well, just so that way we have uniformity. So for the transformation, the biggest issue I have is, do I run an octopus on here or do I run a manta? Now I have a spare octopus and a spare manta board with the compute module. And honestly, I figure why not help Tiny Shell script out by doing a Manta build of it, so that way he can also have those configuration files to share with people as well. So we'll see what happens. Might be a little frustrating, but luckily I already have a all-wheel drive config built and tested on another printer that I'm not ready to quite talk about yet. But soon, guys, soon. Some big updates are coming and happening. I hope you stay with me for this build. I think this is going to be amazing. I'm very excited. I haven't actually built the Zoll tool head. I did it earlier in my YouTube career here and hated it. It was just too much crap everywhere to do compared to Rapid Burner, which is a lot simpler. But the problem with Rapid Burner is it's not strong or stiff enough for what I need for this thing and what I know this printer is capable of. And I know that because of the 2.4, and that Zoll tool head has been amazing. I love it. So anyway, stay tuned with more updates for me, guys. It's definitely worth the wait. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.